Found an OEM file in a driver package and wondering what role it plays? This is a setup information file used during Windows hardware driver installation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these OEM setup files work within the Windows driver system. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single OEM file, inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. OEM files are OEM setup information files used in the Windows driver installation process. They contain device identification strings, driver file references, registry modification instructions, and installation directives that Windows uses to associate hardware devices with their appropriate driver software during plug-and-play detection and manual driver installation. OEM setup information files use the INF file format syntax, with sections defining manufacturer and device, identification strings, source file, locations, destination directories, registry entries, and service installation parameters. Windows stores OEM driver INF files in the DriverStore with OEM-prefixed file names for third-party driver management. Microsoft Windows, developed by Microsoft Corporation, is often used as the source validator for OEM. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows can display config data, though correct use depends heavily on understanding the format. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your OEM file and choose Open With. Test with Microsoft Windows first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If the OEM file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, understanding OEM driver files. OEM numbered INF files in the C Windows NF directory represent third-party drivers installed on your system. Windows assigns sequential OEM numbers during driver installation. These files should not be manually edited or deleted, as they are managed by the Windows DriverStore and PNP Manager for hardware device operation. Next, viewing driver information. Open OEM NF files in Notepad to view the driver information, including supported hardware IDs, manufacturer name and driver version. Use the pnputil command in an elevated command prompt with pnputil enum drivers to list all installed OEM driver packages with their provider names, classes, and versions. Finally, managing OEM drivers. Use Device Manager to update or remove OEM drivers. Right-click a device and select Update Driver or Uninstall Device. For bulk driver management use, pnputil delete driver OEM Drivers in F to remove specific OEM driver packages from the DriverStore. Always ensure replacement drivers are available before removing existing ones. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.